Becoming a Pond5 contributor is straightforward. Here I will guide you to start an artist account on Pond5 and become a Pond5 contributor to start selling your media. Welcome back. In this tutorial, I will guide you to start an artist account on Pond5 and become a Pond5 contributor to start selling your media. Follow me through these steps to get started. Search for Pond5 or you can find it in the description or comment section below. Visit Pond5. Here in the right corner of the home page, click on Join Now. To create an account, this account creation page will appear. Sign up with a Google account, or with a Facebook account, or with the email I recommend. Just type your email here. And your Pond5 password. Then click on Join. To verify your email and fill in your information, here in the right corner of the home page, click on Profile, then Dashboard. Then Account. Then Edit Account Info. This page will appear, and click on Send Email. It was sent. Go to your email. Open your Pond5 email. Then click on this link. Now, you can fill in your information. All fields as asterisk are required. Type first name, last name, your address, country, zip code, your city, and your mobile number. This is the minimum payment balance Pond5 can send you on the 15th of each month. You can get your earnings on Skrill, or via PayPal, or via Payoneer Prepaid MasterCard, or via Payoneer linked with bank. You can link it any method you have or want. For confirm, we have fields with an asterisk required but not filled out. Fill in all required fields containing the asterisk. Then confirm. We have finished filling out the information, but you must add your real information that you have in your method to receive your profits. Now let's apply to become a Pond5 contributor. Back here in the right corner of the home page, click on Profile, and this time we will click on Sell Your Media. At the top of the home page, click Let's Get Started. Fill out all required fields marked with asterisk if you have not already filled them out. Then Next. And here, you will select what you will sell on Pond5. Then Next. Here's the final step to submit. You must upload a valid government-issued ID. Just drag your ID here. Then submit. You will receive email from Pond5 after review your ID. There's no rejection to becoming a Pond5 contributor, but it's just verifying your identity. You can start uploading your media from now. Pond5 will review it immediately after reviewing your identity. It takes 3 days in normal business days and up to a week. Well, there are additional things you can add to your Pond5 contributor, but this is what your customers will see. Click on Customize Storefront. Click here to add your photo or business logo, then upload photo. Select, then open. Align it if it doesn't fit. Then save. And the steps are similar to the cover photo. Click Edit to add your description. Write your description here. Click Edit here to add your social media accounts. Add whatever you want, and then save. And to change the name of the artist your clients see, return to the right corner of the home page. Click on Dashboard. Then Account, and this time we will click on Username and Password. Type your new username here. But it doesn't work that way with the space between letters, because it's the name and username at the same time. Anyway, after writing it, click Submit. Refresh your page. It has changed now. You can't change it yourself again, once only, but you can contact support to change if you want. If you find this video useful, hit the like button and share the video. If you have any comment, you can leave it in the comment section. Remember to follow me and subscribe to my channel. Peace.